exceptional offering in northern Monroe County on Mel Currie Road, which boasts many high-end properties. Approximately 23 acres with a classic 2-bedroom, 1-bath limestone home, real hardwood floors in bedrooms, possibly in main living room. 2-car attached garage, large eat-in kitchen with views to the backyard. Lots of nature surrounds you. Full basement. Replacement windows installed at some time in this home's history. Recent basement foundation work completed in 2021 by Indiana Foundation. Large 40 by 20 pole barn and 21 by 17 detached garage. Being sold as part of an estate and no seller's disclosure. Appliances on site stay. Dishwasher does not work. Property is located within 6 miles northeast of Bloomington Central Business District in Bloomington Township. Quick drive to IU